Ровно в меткатору.
Боже, вообще суицидально вот
Вообще
ответ.
наебало тебя нравится.
Корбета выпита?
Корбета, а? Корбета.
Здорово, чел.
А, ты потом брось.
Здорово.
А будешь.
А,
Надо к тебе.
Can't catch me when I'm too damn fast. Hey, you can't last. Work too hard, just turn back now. If they don't like me, that's too damn.
Bandis.
Well, this is fucking ass. Holy shit.
Damn bad. Bitch, don't touch what you can't have. You can't have. Just 'cause I fuck don't mean she mine. I toss that bitch with a 2-hand pass. Tied up Cali now, I got the keys. Straight from the block, I hop out the keys. Gonna got niggas that'll hop out the squeeze. Leave a nigga jumping out his dot out the screens. I gotta breathe. I don't get enough credit, bitch. Shout out to me. Snitch ass bitches brought out the D's. Wu-Tang shit, I brought out the B. Work too hard to go back to the days where I made just a minimum wage. What's that? I need head 3 times a day. We ain't on the same page. What's that? Google fucking on my net worth. Say I got 2, 3 M's on my name. What's that? Nigga, I done made at least 20 M's. Bitch, better fix that shit. I'm paid. What's that? This a flex, it's in a piss and test. Fuck the disrespect, I gotta interject. I gotta lift the weights all on my bench to press. My life been the shit, you niggas been depressed. You either misdirected or you incorrect. I gotta Smith the West and let her rip your flesh and let her split your neck until you miss the sections. I'm an evil curse inside a bigger blessing, nigga.